How to use Elevenlabs totally free and unlimited without paying a single penny? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method that I've personally been using for the past few months to generate voices with Elevenlabs and even clone those voices. Before moving forward, I have a good news for you all. From today onwards, we will organize a $20 giveaway on each promotional video we post on our channel, where 2 lucky winners will win $10 each in every promotional video. And sometimes we will also give away the premium tools giveaway like seedants and many more. One such giveaway is already going on in the video linked in description. Now back to the work. Let's jump straight into the video. First of all, go to the Elevenlabs website and open the text-to-speech section. From there, select any voice model that you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Liam voice. Keep in mind that the account I'm using is a free trial account, which gives you 10,000 credits every month. You only need around 200 to 300 credits to generate a 10 to 20 second audio clip, and we'll use that short audio as our sample for voice cloning and for generating much longer voiceovers later. I've already prepared a small paragraph in ChatGPT, so I'll simply copy that text, come back to Elevenlabs, paste it into the text box, and click on Generate Speech. After a few moments, your voice will be generated, and you just need to download it to your device. Now, the next step is to visit the HeyGen website. Once you're on the home page, scroll down a little until you see the Create an Avatar option, then click on it. From the available choices, select Create a Virtual Character and click on Upload Photo. Now upload any sample reference image of your character. Keep in mind that we're not going to use this image later. It is only required to create the base avatar. After uploading the image, give your avatar a name and click on Create. Once the avatar has been created, HeyGen will ask you to select a voice from its own library. But since we want to use an Elevenlabs voice, simply click on Clone Your Voice. If you want to clone your own voice, you will also follow the same process. You'll now see 2 options, Upload Audio and Record Audio. If you're using an Elevenlabs voice, choose Upload Audio. If you want to clone your own voice, select Record Audio instead. Since we're using the Elevenlabs voice in this tutorial, I'll click on Upload Audio and upload the audio that we generated earlier. As you can see, Elevenlabs audio has been uploaded successfully. Now, simply click on Generate Voice. After a short wait, you'll notice that 4 different variants of the same voice have been created. One is energetic, another is neutral, another is presentation, and the last one is excited. You can preview each version and choose whichever style you like the most. The voice remains the same, but the delivery style changes. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the excited version. Click on it, and then choose Use this voice. Your avatar will now be created. Next, click on Create Video and select the Build Scene by Scene option. This will take you to the AI editor, where you'll find the script box. One important thing to remember is that using this method, you can generate much longer voiceovers, even scripts that are 10 to 15 minutes long, completely free. I've already prepared a much larger paragraph in ChatGPT, so I'll simply copy it, paste it into the script box, and let the platform process it. As you can see, the estimated duration is 8 minutes and 19 seconds. And once the estimation is complete, the actual generated audio duration becomes around 9 minutes. Now, the audio has been generated successfully. To listen to it, simply click on the Preview Audio option.
Since ancient times, people have looked at the stars and wondered what exists beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Over the centuries, scientific discoveries have transformed those questions into ambitious missions that have taken humanity from simple observations with the naked eye.
As you can hear, the voice is ready. Now the question is, how do we download this audio in MP3 format? Unfortunately, the platform doesn't allow us to download the preview audio directly, but there's a simple workaround that lets us get the audio without any noticeable loss in quality. All you need to do is start a screen recording while playing the audio from the beginning. There is one very important setting that you must keep in mind. Make sure your screen recorder is set to record media audio only and not media plus microphone. When you select media only, the system records the original audio directly, which means the generated voice is captured in the same high quality without recording any background noise. After you've finished recording the complete audio, the next step is to extract the MP3 from the screen-recorded video. For this, import the recording into any video editing software. Currently, I'm using VN Editor, which is completely free and available on Android, iPhone, Mac, and Windows. After importing the screen recording, click on Export. Enable the Export Audio Only option, and then click Export once again. Your audio will now be exported successfully. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.